In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your bezel for your fog light on your Mercedes-Benz C300. It's located on the bumper. We're going to remove these 3 Phillips head screws to remove our bezel. Remove your bezel. To install your bezel, you're going to line it up and start your screws. The long one for us was here. Once you're all lined up, and tighten them down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.